Welcome. Today I am with SoundPeats H2 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So at first you have to remember to charge on the case and headphones itself at least to the 50%. To start the pairing you have to open the case. Next open the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher. Now just wait and take a look on the other devices list. Right now the SoundPeats appears, so when you tap on them once, after a few seconds, we will be successfully connected. As you can see, there it is. We are connected. When you go for the information icon on your iPhone, you can rename or select the device type. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.